The Tranya T10. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Tranya T10 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The T10 features 8 hours of listening time, 32 total with the case. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX AAC codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. 12mm graphene drivers, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a matte finish all around and it's easy to grip. It has a glossy accent finish along the middle. The top of the case has the branding. On the front of the case you have the charge status LEDs. And on the back you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid has a snap to it when opening and closing. It uses magnets and the earbuds are held into place by magnets as well. They're easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the ear indicators etched in the inside. As mentioned earlier, this also has wireless charging, and here it is on a wireless charger. The earbuds have a similar look and feel like previous models. It has an ergonomic shape with a matte finish, and the ear indicators are marked on the inside. On the outer face you have the logo along with the large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, touch control, LED, and a microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward. A few taps or a long press to get the desired function. These also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.8 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 42 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Stuff away before you make up your mind. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we going way up, now we going way up, now we going on track, now we going way up, now we going way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tranya T10 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Tranya T10. The earbuds seated well in my ears and created a secure, tight fit. There is good passive noise isolation. You do feel a bit of pressure in your ear canals after wearing them for extended periods of time. Touch controls are a plus as they don't add additional pressure. Build-in quality is similar to previous models. The case and earbuds feel solid and durable. Once seated in your ears, they don't protrude out as much and are pretty slim. The touch controls are responsive and not overly sensitive. Battery life is good, coming in at 8 hours and 32 total with the case. I like the wireless charging feature along with the IPX7 rating, so this should protect you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, these will definitely please the bass lovers out there. It comes in very pronounced and tight. You do get that boosted feel. It's not overwhelming and it's not airy. Mids and highs come in loud, but I do wish there was a bit more separation and clarity. These definitely lean more towards a warmer sound signature, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel these are another solid pair from Tranya. It comes in at a very competitive price point. Sounds deliver along with the features. So that is my review of the Tranya T10 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.